Hey everyone, it's me, City Girl. Hope you can hear me through this helmet. So it's finally a nice day. Look at that. Nice blue sky there. Clear panels. We're getting ready to go to town. Exciting. What are we going to town for? Food.
We're going to town.
Yeah. So let's go.
In here. Weird. Yeah. So, do you come here often?
Not really.
And did it hurt when you fell from heaven?
You're so sweet. No, it didn't, because I was going to say an angel caught me.
Demon. Forbidden love.
So good.
So funny story. We're just in the Home Hardware here in Madoc, and they're very intense. They're wanting to know if they can help us. So at the end, I was gonna say, yeah, can you point us out to a motel that rents by the hour?
Where are we going, girls? Where's Willow, Junebug? Where's Willow? Where did Willow go? Now you gotta find Willow.
That concludes the dance portion of this video. And now we're gonna do something cool. Not this part. This part is I'm covering the ATV. Every single time I come here, my GPS is like, fuck you, I don't know where to go.
You've only been here like 5 times.
I know, right?
Why do you need a GPS? Have you got your brain yet?
Speaking of...
What do you need there, Russell? 30 by 65 shelter. You could find something to put in that, right?
You know what, Ray?
I'm not sure if it's on the ATV.
I'd want something like... something with actual wooden walls and crap.
Yeah. Great temporary shelter, though.
And the round, you know, the round sides, you can't like stack
Oh, yeah, it's only
shelves.
15 feet high in there, so yeah, you might be limited. Eh?
Oh, okay. Well,
It's 15 feet high in the center.
no, but I was gonna say, look at these things. I could use one of these, though. I could dig so much stuff. I would drive it there.
Every time you get there.
I could drive it there. Look at this. Look at this. My enemies would fear me if I had one of these.
Look at the teeth on that.
Damn.
Might be venomous too.
All 2 of my enemies would just be like, I'm not messing with Russell anymore.
These are probably from China. You can get these from China, eh? And fairly
much?
reasonable price.
How much? What would you sell it to me for?
Well, these North American, they're probably 50, 40.
Huh?
But China, yeah, 15.
Oh, those silly Chinese people. They can make stuff and sell it for some cheap.
There's a good tool set for you.
Oh, I love coming here, I tell you what. Look, Zambonis. They have Zambonis here. You know what I could do with a Zamboni? Awesome. What are those things? They kind of look like... I don't know what those are. Damn. Those are cool. I don't know what they are, but those are cool. It's like something. It's too bad we're here kind of late. The auction was a while ago, so most of the stuff is gone by now. Like they're probably just setting up for the next auction. Isn't that? Okay. I was just gonna say. Nah, all right. Oh, Wow, there's a surprise. It's another white kitchen.
What do you think? Well,
What do I think?
well, you know,
All right, well,
I wasn't planning on buying it, but I go to the auction, and it's like 10 minutes before going off. It's 10 minutes to the end of the auction. It's like $1,500. And it's like, oh, I gotta get in on this. So I bid it up to like $25.50 and got it for $25.50.
Huh.
So normally I pay $4,000 for this, but this auction for some reason, I don't know.
okay. So the
It
big
was a
question.
deal.
The big question is, can you actually use this kitchen
No, I can't.
somewhere?
No, I can't.
All right.
I'll use pieces of it anyway. I may not use the whole thing, but
Well, what's going on here?
you know what it's like to order your pieces, right? Yeah, there's a couple that have some damage on it. I know that.
Oh, so this is similar to other kitchens you
This
bought
is-
in.
You know how that was there.
What?
Well, someone didn't put the screws in properly,
Oh, I see.
or at all,
I see. Okay.
at all. So, yeah, someone made a little adjustment. But for $25.50, can't go wrong.
All right. Well, all right. I mean, it's not as nice as my kitchen.
No, but it only cost about a fifth of what yours did. So,
Kitchen was really expensive. Yep. Come on, I got to get one of these. Look at that. Oh, Ray, can we buy this?
What is it?
Ray, can we buy the tub?
oh, the tub. You want to put that on your deck?
I want to put it somewhere. Oh yeah, that's, yep, good stuff. That is. Oh, look at this. Oh, damn. Is it electric? That's electric. Ray, I want one of these. Look, electric scooter.
Oh, yeah, that worked really well on your trail. Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't use it on the trail. Maybe on the deck. Or on the pond when it's frozen.
Yeah, that'd be pretty fun in the ice. Yeah, that'd be a...
Hey, are these the same batteries that were here last time?
Yeah, I think so. It must be revamping some.
Those are huge, aren't they?
Hmm?
Those are huge.
Yeah.
Is that a...
They,
Oh, they're refurbished?
They've repaired it a couple times. Yeah, I guess so.
so many cool stuff? Generators and tires and... Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. My enemies would fear me if I had one of these. I love it here. I just want to go up and down the aisles. It's not one of those places where you should go up and down the aisles, but...
That's all.
Flooring?
Yes.
Is this vinyl plank?
It is, yes.
Can I have it?
Kind of have a use for it, but I can tell you where you can get some.
Oh, you have a use for it?
Yes.
No, I need flooring.
This is what you need, yeah, no, for sure. This is it's like 100% vinyl, so if you get it wet, it doesn't matter.
How much would you sell this to me for?
Huh?
Sorry.
How much did I pay for it? And how much will you mark it up? Or I can just tell you where I got it. You can go buy it from there.
Well, okay. So what kind of square footage have you got here?
800 square feet,
Oh, that's not enough.
somewhere.
Can you buy another couple hundred square feet and then sell it to me?
I can tell you where you can get it. There's lots of it. I don't know where I got it. I think it was Rona.
So Ray, how do you feel about the packing job this time?
Well, we were a little sloppy this time, but
I can't see you.
Huh?
I can't see you.
Where are you? I said, well, we're a little sloppy this time, but we could be.
You-
Yeah, you got it again.
It's, yeah,
It was
pretty,
good.
pretty sloppy.
It worked.
It's a shit kitchen.
Just because it's not yours.
You got it in?
Yep.
I told them to leave that here. Wouldn't fit.
Back your truck.
I have a chop saw. It's pretty good. You've got, I don't have these things on the side. They're just handles or what are they? I think my blade is bigger. Oh, no, that's a tortoise. Okay, whatever.
Anything else you're going to bid on next auction?
I
The 17th.
want to buy everything.
Nice.
That, motorized scooter there is just taunting me.
What would you use that for?
It's taunting me.
You have like a couple hundred square feet to use it.
It's taunting me.
Not one of those mirrors. That's why lighted, heated mirrors. I haven't got one yet.
Heated mirrors?
Yeah. When you get out of the shower, well, you wouldn't know, but when you get out of a hot shower, the mirrors all fogged up.
I get it.
I don't think your bathroom gets foggy enough.
No, it doesn't.
Anyway, so yeah, you push a button and it lights up. It lights up and it heats it up so that you don't have to heat it all over the mirror.
I could certainly see a lighted mirror because for shaving, like,
Yeah.
there's nothing better.
Yeah. No, the lighted ones are great. I put them in a lot of the rental units, and they're great. But they also have that other thing that lights it up. It fogs it.
Ooh.
Nice garage. What?
Helicopter. Weird thing about this location, you can't get here by GPS or Google Maps. The road doesn't exist. Still, like, no. Well, I mean, how long has this place been here? And like Google Maps still hasn't figured it out. Ooh, there's a sexy car. Wanna go for lunch?
Yeah. Where do I go?
I don't know. I'm following you.
What do you feel like?
Food.
I know, but you want to go to like Mucho Burrito, or you want to go to KFC, or you want to go to the burger place, or what do you want to do?
Yes, I want to go to all those places. I'm so
Which one do you want
hungry.
to go first?
Mucho burrito, mucho burrito, mucho burrito, mucho burrito. Parking. Yeah, it's weird that you can't find that place like on Google Maps or anything. What if anybody's ever given up trying to look for the place? Like, oh well, $2,500 well spent. You know. Yeah, you can't because you already bought your thing, right? You gotta find it. Oh well, $2,500. Maybe somebody else will have a nice kitchen. Well, freezing rain here. Nice. Oy vey. Opinion time! Yes, I'd like your opinions on something. This area right here, you see, is my charging station area. And it's been here for a long time. I think ever since I slapped my first crappy kitchen together, not long after I built this little shelf here. Because I needed a place to charge batteries and stuff like that. Like my GoPro batteries are here. Batteries for my Canon. I've got a power supply here. My VR system is here. Also my internet. There's a UPS in here, a 400 watt UPS. Another power supply. There's also a USB charging hub here. And it's kind of like anything I need to charge. Well, sometimes I can charge stuff at my computer if I have a spare USB port. But most of the times, I'm bringing stuff over here. I plug it in. I leave it sitting here on the desk. On this little thing I've made. And I don't like it. I don't like it here at all. For one thing, this is the area that the dogs hang out most of. Like, they're always either sleeping in the chair there or on the floor here. And so this area gets really dusty. And I'm going to show you one little wipe. Yeah, it gets really dusty. So what I'd like to do, so everything here is getting dusty, right? If it sits here for any length of time. So what I'd like to do is get all of this, like, the whole charging station aspect of it behind a door somewhere, right? So it doesn't get dirty. It can just sit there and charge and stuff. Some of the stuff can't move. Like my internet can't move. It's pretty much stuck here. What else? Pretty much just my internet and my little voltage meter thing here. I don't know if you can see it. So anyway, I've got some options. One option would just be to build some kind of cabinet here. We have some cabinets left over from the kitchen, and we've got the old cabinets as well that were in the kitchen. Might be able to free up one of those and put it here, but I'm not sure that that's the best solution. For one, I'd have to find somewhere for all this stuff to go as well. But anyway, that is one option. Either build some kind of cabinet here or bring one of the kitchen cabinets in here and do that. Now, there are a couple of other options. As I said, the internet has to stay here, but there are other options for some of the other stuff. How dirty that is. That's disgusting. Okay, let me show you some of the other options we got. So, our wonderful, amazing new kitchen came with a lot of cabinetry. There is a ton of kitchen space in here, or space to hold kitchen-y things. So much so that some of it's still empty. Do you see that? This is one of the last pieces we put up. And we've kind of run out of kitchen things to put in the kitchen. Does that make sense? Over there's 3 drawers that have like tools and stuff in them, even. And I was thinking, this might not be a bad spot for a charging station. It's a little on the small side. I need like 2 shelves to do it. Although that shelf wouldn't have to be as high, I could lower it down a little bit. Pumpkin spice pecans. I did not put those there. Anyway, this is one option, and it's not a bad option, but it's not a great option. It's not a bad spot, but it's not a great spot. It's not a great spot because we're deep in the kitchen, so every time I want to grab a battery or something, I gotta come deep in the kitchen to do it. And deep in the kitchen is where you want your kitchen-y things. Now, one thing that makes this not a bad spot is that the wall behind here isn't done yet. And I've got electrical right there, so I can easily feed electrical in here for my power bar and, geez, whatever else I want to put in there. Again, I'd have to use the 2 shelves. It's not a very wide cabinet. It isn't. But this is, say, option number 2 is to put stuff in there. And this would be the easiest option of my options, is to just put electrical in there and do that. I just thought of something else, actually. Okay, third option. Right here. This is, the stuff that's in here is only here because way back before we had this kitchen, we only had two shelving things. One here and over there, and this is the stuff that was in this one. It's not a great place for like plates and bowls and stuff, because over there would be better, right? This would be a much better spot for charging stuff. It's much wider space, and it's further out of the kitchen. As I said earlier, these are the 3 drawers where I keep other crap. You know, tape measure and screws and stuff. I've got all the hardware for the cabinetry in this drawer, like the handles and stuff, leftover handles and stuff, and then a bit of a junk drawer. Not drunk, junk. This would be a much better spot, like kind of away from everything else. And I could move a lot of this over there. In fact, almost all of it. And some of the stuff like we very rarely use, it could go on some of these upper things. And I wish these doors on these upper ones didn't have glass, because nobody wants to see a big green bowl behind the glass on one of these uppers. Anyway, I digress. The only thing making this not a great spot is it's hard to get electrical in here. The walls are finished. What I would have to do is steal electrical from this light switch thingy here. And then try and, drill a hole through here and try and feed the electrical up in there. Somehow. I don't think there's a stud there. Gosh, there might be. Shoot. I'll have to do some math and figure that out. Anyway, this would be the better spot. Harder. If I could get electrical in there, I think that would be the spot, but we'll have to see. But anyway, let me know what you think about the options. I'm tempted just to go with the easy option because I know I can do it. I know it'll be pretty quick. But let me know what you think. Welcome to the end of the video. Thanks for hanging out with us all this time. I want to give out my monthly shout out to Cabela's and Bass Pro. Thank you for sponsoring our channel. Still wearing my Cabela's jacket like everywhere in the middle of winter. I haven't yet had to resort to my winter coat. Not that it's been like seriously cold, but this is now my go-to coat in the wintertime. And I love it. So yeah, thanks again, Cabela's and Bass Pro. Don't forget that you can get gift cards. I got one here, but I've got writing all over it. Anyway, pick up a gift card for your loved one. It doesn't have to be just for Christmas. Anyway, live streaming Friday night, which will be tonight if you're watching it on a Friday. And City Girl will be here this weekend, so she will be there. And she should probably also be doing a coffee and chat on her Raspberry Rock ASMR channel on Sunday. So don't miss that. And I think that's going to be it for this video. I want to apologize for missing the last 2 weeks. There were reasons. I'm not going to get into it now. Just trust me, there are reasons. Cheers, everybody. I love you all, and don't forget to